Good. Okay, ready? Yeah. So.
Oh,
Shemai.
today it's.
If you want to start by introducing yourself, yeah, if you should say something.
Good morning. Okay. Does that one work?
David Wilson talking really quietly, so if you can pick this up quiet.
Right. It's fine. Let's do it again.
Exactly. It's
Smiling. Oh, sorry, I forgot the.
so come out. Please shut the door.
And I. Checking 1, 2, 3.
Have you got me this time? Working.
Let it nod in your head. Just nod.
Okay, right. So I'm going to nod that. You haven't been up on the roof learning, on the job.
I could have done that in one take actually, but doesn't matter, we'll do that.
Just a nice. We don't even need. Well. No.
Learning and research.
How do I say that? Sorry.
And you go back to the jewelry.
Yeah.
To get this open, but that seems to be very, very secure.
Free. Di.
Yeah.
Yma yng Nghymru, rydym yn dathlu trwy cynnal hang on. Go. Okay, ready?
Right.
Pob
I'm the Academy. Oh God. Academy Adra is a mouthful to say. My name's Kerry, and I'm the Academy Adra program.
Hasma.
So we want a bit more.
Okay. Behind Sophie like that. Is that okay?
Maybe I can just hold it like that. That was.
Academy.
Portugal. Now, please website and go from there.
Big topics around tenant engagement, including rent. Oh.
Looking wise, are we looking?
Rather than looking down the camera.
Cadwyn, which is Newydd, and I've forgotten. Who's that again?
Beat that, but
Wait.
perfect. Self-assessment.
Ooh, what do we want to see next? That's a good one.
You got the same problem. I should make a living at this.
You should do.
Can you make it better than this?
Am I Scooby-Doo shoes in like that, or can I sit like that? I'll breathe in then. Okay. In Newydd. I can't. Having a.
Let's start again. Hi.
So, and that was terrible.
And a second up.
There's more space.
Swansea will be revived. I don't like that.
For him.
Yep. So, we just try it a couple of times.
Okay.
So I can cut that bit out. I lost former castle. It was a former cinema. Oh, I remember. I can't remember what I said.
What type of animal is a Komodo dragon?
Either stand up at shitter.
How close do you want it?
Probably just down a bit like that.
So. Okay.
Wait.
Simple as that.